Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 17-inch Yellow Touch monitor from CCFL to our UB70 series LED kits. This LED kit comes with 2 LED strips, 1 LED driver, no wire adapters needed for this particular models. And let's set it aside. Let's take a look at the models. The model is, it's kind of heavy. Alright. It's called, it's a long one, ET1747L-ACWF-1-G. Okay, there's a lot of screw around the chassis, mounting the chassis. So I removed some of them already. The first thing you need to remove is this clip. Okay, this clip that holding the touch. Okay, push it back. You're gonna cut your finger like this. Take it out, right? Then you could just disconnect the wire here. Okay. Oh, you have to use a blade to cut off a little bit. Look at you in too many grooves. Okay. Okay. All right. A little bit tricky to take it out. Oh, on the bottom they have a glue too. Oh, too many glues. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. This one can just leave it like this. So there's a lot of screws. I already removed some already just to save some time on the videos. So I still put that through. Alright, it's out. Set aside. Take a look. So, power supply, inverter board, main board. So we also had to remove the screw in order to get the screen out. Okay, get in there. Okay, screws out, so let's see what happened. Okay, we take this one out, then leave it a touch screen. See? Oh, oops, better put it here, don't want to scratch. We set the touch screen out, aside. Okay, I don't put it here. Okay, let's take a look at chassis. Alright, so yeah, this is we need to remove this first, then we can show you. First thing first, disconnect this CCFL backlight connectors, 2 on each side. Okay. Second, this one's a little bit tricky to access, but that's okay. Let me take this one out first, then we could flip over. Now, we have to take this one. I better mark it here. This one is, well, this one's this side. Let me get a marker. Just in case I forgot which side for which side. This way, this side. Okay, so 4 more screws. Then we're gonna take the screen out and show you where. Okay. Now we can set it face down to because I will remove some screws, so we can take a look. Oops. Take a look this end. You see this wires, screen wires, right? So you set aside like this. I usually would like to it's a little bit tricky for you to see it, but this assembly from the screen side, that's what I usually like to do. But unfortunately, it's not easy for me to show you, so I had to get my hand underneath that. Oh, I'm gonna probably cut it. Show you when I make it out. Okay. All right. Okay. Oops. Okay. Ooh. It's a little bit tricky. I'll show you why. See, they put a tips right on top of the connector, so make it so difficult to pull out, and then they limited the length of the cable, but that's okay. We get out. I'm gonna fix this screw first. Okay. Now we're gonna set aside the chassis. Okay. Take a look at the screen. See what screen part number is. All right. Oh. M170EG01 version 7. M170EG01 version 7. So this, we also had to remove this this two metal bracket too. So I'm gonna make a mark here too. Just right here. This one. Yeah. Okay. This one. Yeah. Okay. Take it out. Ah, so many brackets. Look at buddy. Oops, sorry. Dog needs to poo.